Can this be my new intro? Just me squeaking. Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am today back. Why did I say that like Yoda? Anyways, today I am back with another thrift haul. Sorry if you can hear a lot of jingling in the background. The kitties just really want to be a part of the video today. But yeah, I'm just doing another thrift haul. I've got a lot of fun, new, cool stuff. A lot of home stuff, but also a lot of clothes and fun things like that. So if you guys want to see my updated thrift haul and kind of updated room, because I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a room tour, then just go ahead and keep watching. So I'll go ahead and start with the first things I got, which I'm very excited about. I've been collecting Fiesta wear over the past couple months, so I've just been collecting different colors that I like. I really like fun, vibrant colors. The thing that started this whole crazy color scheme that I have going on and like my vision for was these salt and pepper shakers that I got in New York City, and everyone makes fun of me in the house because I'm literally basing my entire decor off of these salt and pepper shakers, but I just love them. I can't help it. I think they're so cute and I love all the colors and I just love them. So yeah, everything is pretty much based off of those things. I'll go ahead and insert that little mini room tour I filmed earlier here just so you can get kind of a glimpse of my style. Hi guys. I'm trying to hold this really steady. I should probably invest in a stabilizer, but I just wanted to show you how the room is coming along. It's looking very cute right now, and I just wanted to give you a little update since the last time I did a room tour video. I don't even actually know if I ever uploaded it. I honestly can't remember, but in case you guys want to see my room, I'll give you a little mini tour. So here's my beautiful little mirror with my Ivy, Oliver's base and old skateboards. And over here we've got the window, cat treats, MF Doom poster, some vintage furniture. Inside here is just a closet. That's where I keep all of, like, the cat litter and stuff. I'm about to do a thrift haul, so please excuse all this stuff on the bed. Yeah, here's how she's looking. My corner is obviously a bit cluttered. Would we expect anything else? No. So I've just got my jacket, my rug, my cat food. There's a kitten there. Hey, Barbara. Hi. This is a piece of furniture I just recently redid. I think it's looking really good. Got some new knobs. Got some new flowers. All sorts of fun stuff like that. Little photo wall. Some prints. Makeup bag, because again I'm about to film a tutorial. And some books, YouTube stuff, lamp, coffee, tea, and then this is my other little favorite corner. I got that at a flea market. Literally everything in here is completely thrifted / redone, and I'm again about to do a thrift haul, so I've got some little thrift finds here that I'm about to film. But yeah, that's the room. So I just thought I'd show you guys so you'd have an overall view of my quote-unquote aesthetic before I start this thrift haul, because it'll make a lot more sense why I bought such kooky things and why I've been buying such kooky things if you see what my style is like. So there's a little mini room tour. Bye! All right, welcome back. So yeah, that's why I got this really cute little Fiesta cup. I love it. I've also thrifted a couple mugs. Like I have this really cute little cat print one. I really love it. I've got some more over here I'll show you as well. All right, so I've just got here this really cute little teacup that I use as a cappuccino cup. So I think it's cute. Yeah, little teacup. I only have one of that one. At first I was kind of thinking I wanted to just collect old teacups and use them for my espresso, which I've continued to do. So I found this one this weekend. It's a little oriental, tiny, obviously espresso cup. I don't know what else you could fit in here other than espresso or like a little bit of tea. But yeah, it's just really cute. little oriental pattern. I really hope that's in focus. We'll find out. Probably isn't, but I'll have some B-roll to make up for the fact that it's not, if that's the case. And yeah, those are my 2 teacups. That's all I have for tea so far, but again, I use it for cappuccinos because I got an espresso machine. So that's been really exciting. I also got these little espresso cups. Now these I got in a set, so I have 4 of them. These will be my main espresso cups that I use like when I have an apartment and an actual table. But I only got one of the blue ones because I have the same one in green. So I just wanted to start collecting cuter colors because the black is cool, but it is a little just black. So that's that little cup. And I also got a set of martini glasses. This one still has the sticker from the price tag on it. They need to all be washed. But yeah, I got some martini glasses to make martinis with. I've been thinking about making a drink TikTok, because now that I have my espresso machine, I can make really fun coffee drinks, as well as I just like to make cocktails every now and then. I think they're really fun. I just made some cosmopolitans and put them on my Instagram story, and they looked really pretty and they tasted really good. So maybe I'll get into doing that, who knows. But yeah, just got some glasses, a set of 6. So I'm thinking I might paint these because they're just so boring. They're pretty, but I kind of want to paint like swirlies with acrylic paint or something on the edge. I don't know though. We'll see if I decide to do that. So I think that's just about it for my cupware, my mini cups. But you know what? Actually, there is one more. Oh, sorry, cat. You have to be careful. Speaking of drink talk, I got this for Oliver. So technically it's not mine, but we both use it. I got this for Oliver for his birthday. Here. Just looks like a normal old weird wooden box, right? Wrong. Let me show you what's inside. You open the mallard and it's a drinking box. So Oliver doesn't really like wine or like fruity drinks or anything like that. He prefers to just, if he's gonna drink, he'll take shots or something. Or he'll just like sip on a whiskey or whatever, you know. Man things. But yeah, it's just full of this little box. You can put, there's nothing in it yet, but you can put whiskey or tequila or like whatever the heck you want to put in there, and then it comes with little shot glasses, and it's completely velvet lined, and it's very luxurious, and that's one of my favorite thrift finds I've gotten to date. I just think it's really cool. So that's that. Some other little knick-knacky items I've gotten that have no use. I got this really odd cat. I just like it for decoration. He looks kind of spooky and fun, so I got him in New York. And I've gotten this. So when I was in college, actually, me and my friends and roommates would play poker a lot, and we always thought it was really fun. And I haven't seen them in a while, but I definitely want to have a poker set for when we all get back together again so we can play poker. So I got this at a vintage flea market. It's got vintage Texas Hold'em playing cards and all the chips. We actually used to just play with cut up pieces of paper, so it'll be really nice to actually have an actual set to play with them, hopefully in the future here soon. Yeah. This is not really a thrifted find, but my grandma sent me this really cute chip tray because it matches, you heard it, my salt and pepper shakers. So she sent me this because she thought I would like it, and she's had it for a really long time. So yeah, I love this. Okay, so that's, I would say, relatively pretty much it. Again, I did just do a pretty recent thrift haul with most of the other stuff in it. So yeah, now I'm just gonna get into clothes. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep watching. Alrighty, you guys, so that is my updated thrift haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this really fun video. I had a really fun time filming it, just danced around and got to review all of my favorite little knickknacks, so I'm in a good mood and I'm happy. But I hope you guys have a lovely rest of your week, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!